This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to download Microsoft 365. So, how to download Microsoft Office, formerly known as, now called Microsoft 365, formerly known as Office 365. So, we can download the Windows version or the Mac OS version from this page. I'm on the main downloads page. You can see it is Microsoft.com, and I mean, it's quite a lengthy URL, so I'll put the link. I'll put that URL as a link in the video description just below this video, and you can just click on that link and wind up here. So we can download the Windows version by clicking here, or the Mac OS version by clicking here. I am on Mac OS. You are going to get, in this Microsoft Office package, you're going to get Word, Excel, and PowerPoint included. So if you're on Windows, click this one. If you're on Mac, I'm going to click this one, and that will automatically download. You can see that the icon just flew up in the right hand side, which is a universal symbol on Mac OS that it has downloaded to the downloads location depending on your browser. I'm on Google Chrome. Mine will go to the downloads location, the main downloads folder location, but your downloads folder location might differ depending on your browser. Hopefully you found this video on how to download Microsoft Office useful. If it's been helpful for you, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.